Welcome back to Canada. So we are buried in snow today. I have to swim through the snow to get to my car. Let me show you. How much snow?
So can you give us food?
Sizzling hot.
Yeah.
Hot. So we are about to be blessed with another snowstorm. Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Snowballs.
Snowballs.
It's
Yes.
coming back on me.
Yeah.
Help me.
Yeah, sure. Come on. Oh my god.
We fell.
Uh-oh. Not we fell.
Well, I made you fall.
Yeah.
Too much snow for my baby boy. You don't like the snow? Oh.
So can you give us food?
Are you hungry?
Yes, he is hungry.
Are you recording?
Yeah, this is recording. Now there's a
biryani mild, sushi good, kadai half,
Do you
regular.
want to say something?
And then
Look. Here, look here.
What do you have?
I got fried noodles.
fish fry.
वो हाँ
इनके बारे में हमने ये सुना है लोरो फाड़ के लाके आते हैं
ये बच्ची लोग फाड़ के ले आते हैं रावी च
हाँ फिर अभी तो फाड़ के से तो ऐसे सोते हैं
नहीं मैंने इनका देखा था ना
पूरे
किया था तो शेफ जो है लाहौर से है तभी तो लाहौरी टेस्ट आता है
सही है
It's following you anyways. Look.
ये सही रहता है
That's for cats.
What's for cat?
Fish.
oh we can eat too
लास्ट
I think you want to try the fish सही कह रहे हैं खाना हमारा बच्चा ने मैं घर पैक करा के लेके जाना पड़ेगा इसको
Sizzling hot.
आपको क्या लगेगा थोड़ा होना
yeah
like cheese balls are they good
Yeah, but they're kind of burning my mouth.
why it's not spicy
टेबल हमारा छोटा था और खाना हमारा ज़्यादा था तो उन्होंने एक टेबल और लगा दिया हमें देख
प्रॉब्लम की रात के साथ कड़वा लग रहा है
बोली मम्मा मुझे खिलाओ.
अच्छा मैं खिलाती हूँ दीदी आप खुद खाओ ना खैर मैं खिला देती हूँ उसको चलने वाला बनाना नहीं आ रहा
Wait, there's a kitty.
हाँ ऐसे ही
एक kitty है.
ऐसे ही लग रहा है
जोकिंग
हाँ नहीं जोक नहीं
Oh,
करिए
wow, so cute. So cute.
शादी के टाइम पे मैं सही वाला मोटा था अच्छी खासी पतली थी
अब 13 साल बाद मैं मोटी हूँ और आप
Funny, but that's
यू
ये अंदर नकली डाली हुई है
नहीं
ew.
उल्टा देख रहे हो उल्टा देख
लगता है
ये देखो बुढ़िया दी रूह दी खराब
talk to him? Hi.
Hi guys, welcome back to Canada. So today is a snowy day. Just to get to my car, I have to swim through the snow. I'll show you my feet. Buried in snow. Look at the car. You guys see all the snow on top of my car? I have to shovel all this. I can't do it by myself. I have to go get my help.
It's cotton. Yeah.
Heart.
Yeah, white heart. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Do it again. Yay.
Toyota cake. Did you see the Toyota cake? That's like icing on the cake. Yeah. I'm so tired. This is like too much work, right? A lot of work. Oh, okay. Okay, my baby. Oh no, it's too much snow for my baby boy. Oh, you don't like the snow? I love you. Okay, go back inside then. Go back to your bed. It's nice and warm there. Did you see my Mr. Pumpkin here? Oh. Well, where are you gonna go? There's a doggy over there too. Yeah, you wanna travel? I'm not gonna pet you right now. You have to go back inside, Pumpkin. Let's go back. Okay, go back. It's very cold. See, it's really very cold. And you're not wearing your sweater. Oh, he's shaking. So we are about to be blessed with another snowstorm, and it's coming in an hour. Before it hits, I'm headed to Home Depot to buy some salt and a shovel because one of our shovels broke. So I am headed to Home Depot right now. So nice to see some greenery here. Those ones are a little bit less expensive, $23.97, $34.97, but those are smaller, and this one is $59.95, which is about $60, and it's a little bit bigger and looks more sturdy, so I'm gonna go for this one. So pretty, the lights, the chandeliers.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. You. Are you trying to make snow angel? Making snow angel.
My turn.
Oh my god. Oops. Oops.
Welcome to my channel, guys. We are buried in snow, literally.
Yes.
Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Snowballs.
Snowballs.
It's
Yes.
coming back on me.
Yeah.
Help me.
Yeah, sure. Come on. Oh, ये क्या हुआ है? Oh my God!
We fell.
Not we fell.
Well, I made you fall.
Yeah.
Bye!
Snow, snow, snow.
Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye.